Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the biggest hidden killers of profit, something most beginners never notice. It's the danger of mislocating costs during production and why shipping to customers is never a product cost. Let's go. Here's the problem. If a company forgets to allocate all product costs, especially manufacturing overhead, they think the product is cheaper than it actually is. So what happens? Managers set the selling price too low because the cost number they are looking at is wrong, and boom, the product sells well, but the company is secretly losing money. Let me make this super clear. Imagine a product really costs direct materials is $20, direct labor is $15, manufacturing overhead is $10, total will be $45. But if the manager forgets to the manufacturing overhead, they think the product costs only $35. They will say, oh, I will price it as $40 profit. But nope, reality is $45. Selling at 40 means you lose $5 for every unit sold. This is how companies go bankrupt without realizing why. Now let's talk about shipping to customers. A lot of beginners ask, isn't delivery part of making the product available? Nope. Once the product leaves the factory, the manufacturing process is over. Any cost after that, like delivery, shipping, commissions, is a selling expense, also called a period cost. It never goes into product cost, it never goes into inventory, it never goes into COGS. It's simply a selling cost. If you ignore MOH, you underprice your product and it will be loss. If you treat shipping to the customers as product cost, you are mixing production and selling activities. And that's why understanding cost classification is absolutely essential. Hit the subscribe, smash that like button, and let's keep making accounting fun and easy.